as Sommelier, right? Sommelier. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so namaste, hello, and welcome everyone to the stream today. I hope you guys are having a great day, evening, morning, whatever time zone you are. This is your host and educator friend, Saksham this side, and we will be looking forward to another interesting project analysis today. And the project name is SOMM, SOMM, which is basically pronounced as Sommelier, right? Sommelier. So, we will be looking forward to the project and the long term vision and sustainability of the project itself. And we will be also looking forward to the mission vision of the project itself, right? So let's get started without further delay and let's have a look into the market, a quick glimpse of the market. So if you see the current market cap is currently standing at $1.105 trillion, $1.05 trillion with an decrease to null, and the current price of BTC is currently trading at $25,800. So this is the current scenario of the market, and we will be looking forward to the Sommelier coin now. So we have the coin with us, and you can clearly see that the current price of Sommelier is at 0.12 cents with a market cap of $25 million, which is outstanding and amazing, and with a volume of 533,000 US dollars, which is a 24-hour trading volume, considered to be very, very good at this stage. And if you see the circulating supply, it's not too much. If you see the circulating supply is almost like 100 times 100,000. It's almost 208 million, the circulating supply. And if you see other things, as the total supply is currently 500 million dollars. So 500 million SOM is not too much. That's why the price of SOM is currently standing at 0.12 cents. Yes, welcome main to the stream, and we will be also giving up the red pack codes after the live in my Gate.io post, right? Okay, so let's continue the session, and you can see the project is built on Ethereum blockchain network, which is definitely very good. And but yeah, the fees will be high a little bit, yeah, but that's okay. If you see the price, it's almost looking forward to a discounted price. You can see almost touch the level of 0.43 cents. And if you talk about the volume and market cap, we don't have enough sufficient data for that. But yeah, volume is still looking forward to $500,000. So now if we open the website for the Sommelier Finance and we see the project itself, okay, we will be sending the red packet code after around 25 minutes. So we have to wait for that. Okay, so let's continue the session. And as I was saying earlier, that sit back while our intelligent walls serve you 24/7, all on Shane. So here is the website for Sommelier and about community resources, launch app, and this is website looks cool. The theme and the background of the website is also looking good. And if you see the color, definitely interesting. Use or create intelligent vault that predict and adapt to market conditions. Yes, I have already submitted the UIDs for the VIP upgrade, so it will be So it will be given, it will be distributed to you guys. The giveaway, the VIP upgrades will be whatever the results will be, it will be announced and it will be given to you. So don't worry about that, it will hardly take almost like a week from now, so the results will be out after that. So here is the real yield USD. Optimize your stable coins in the state of the art vault. Simultaneously allocates USDC, USDT, and DAI to Aave, Compound, Uniswap. Read more. And advanced crypto portfolio strategies by financial and crypto markets experts. Available on the Sommelier marketplace. Okay, Sommelier host strategies for any risk profile or crypto assets preference. Strategy provider 7Cs, Cleargate, Define Labs, AlgoLab, one become strategy provider, and that's it. No matter your portfolio goals, we have walls for you. Real yield USD, real yield Ethereum, real yield Uniswap, SNX, ENS, 1 inch, Link, and all the things. Create vaults with an edge. Intelligent vaults. Our vaults are intelligent, capable of predicting, responding, and evolving to changing market conditions. Automation layer. Add an automation layer to your protocol via a custom vault that automates popular or advanced user flows, turning your average user into a power user. So this is something I've been going through my first time. So I don't really know about the project, but it's some kind of vault where you will be getting the reward. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what it initially is, and then I will be able to tell you much more about that. So let's see and let's get into the depth. All in one infrastructure. We offer an all-in-one platform for vault creators, providing them with the access to a broad selection of assets, protocols, networks, and rebalancing actions. Transparent and secure. Our state-of-the-art architecture provides transparency and ensures the safety of digital assets, giving users peace of mind. Machine learning models and really smart strategies ultimate yields. Some Sommelier enables off-chain computation to influence strategies, enabling the most sophisticated strategies that crypto space has ever seen. Machine learning models safety control sellers to manage risk and optimize yields. I guess it is some kind of yield structure where you put your money and then the vault starts the yield according to your investment account. And then when the yield rate is less in the market, the vault will automatically switch to the yield which is giving higher return. So this is some kind of thing which I am trying to understand with the things which I have read till now. Fast execution, automated signature management for transactions enables strategies to rapidly move liquidity and capture yield on any distributed finance protocol. So, yeah, this is definitely what I am thinking. This is the same thing. Automated dynamic rebalancing, machine learning models dynamically inform automatic portfolio rebalancing to focus liquidity on high yield opportunities while existing positions with low yields. So, guys, as I was As I was saying earlier, that it is what I am thinking, that when you deposit something in the vault, it will automatically switch to the higher vault, higher yield percentage in the blockchain itself, and will give you the returns of high yield percentage. So this is like something automation. For example, you have put your money in a vault of Ethereum, where Ethereum is giving you almost like 6% for instance, and then the Ethereum yield on that vault is giving less percentage on that particular period or amount. That so it will automatically switch to another vault who is giving higher Ethereum yield on their platform. For example, Uniswap is giving 6%, and suddenly it dropped down to 5 or 4%, and 1 inch is still giving 6% or 7%. Then it will automatically switch your liquidity to Uniswap, sorry, 1 inch, and that's how the whole system will work, right? So this is what automated dynamic shift basically means. Machine learning models dynamically inform automatic portfolio rebalancing to focus liquidity on high yield opportunities while existing positions with lower yields. Multi chain access. Sommelier is built for sellers to operate across many protocols. Soon you will be able to put your liquidity to work across the entire crypto ecosystem. So Sommelier is built for sellers to operate across many protocols. Soon you will be able to put your liquidity to work across the entire crypto ecosystem. So this is something very, very useful and helpful for the people who are only looking forward to a long time investing. Okay, guys, we are back and we are facing a little bit of electricity issue on our side. That's why you are not able to see me clearly. But I'm trying to figure out the things by which you can see me clearly, right? Mm. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to see me now. It was just a network issue. That's why I wasn't able to, Okay, guys, I am back and we are facing a little bit of electricity issue, but I was trying to just resolve it. So maybe we'll be able to stream now, hopefully peacefully this time. But let's see what happens. Okay, so just, yep. I hope you are able to see my screen now. And it's a little bit difficult for me to, stream at this situation. But yeah, we'll try. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, man, there is a little bit of network issue, but I'm just trying to resolve it. Why? I don't know why my broadband is, working, fluctuating a lot of network. But yeah, if this time the network goes, I will be continuing this stream. The second part, I'll be just streaming if this time it gets crashed, right? So let's continue the stream, hoping for the best that we will be going to do the stream completely, right? So without further delay, let's look into the multi-chain access and all. Yeah, unlock your yield performance with Sommelier automated portfolio strategies. And we have explore strategies. You can do that. Tired of manually moving your funds for better yields? Say no more. Let's the algorithm do the work. How does it work? So yeah, that was the thing I was initially telling you guys, that you will be not be moving your funds manually. Your funds will be moved by the artificial intelligence, the machine learning, and then you don't have to worry about the yields and all. The maximum yields, the maximum switching will be done for your funds, and then you will be receiving the maximum amount of yield results, USTC and money, right? That's what everyone wants in the market, right? How does it work? Cosmos Stargate SDK, popular and robust protocol with Tendermint consensus, delivers a world-class and tested protocol layer. Bidirectional gravity bridge. Ethereum transactions are managed by Sommelier's dedicated bridge infrastructure. Low gas fees, aggregating and batching dramatically reduce gas costs. Greater liquidity momentum. Native batching and rollups delivers great liquidity momentum to capture more yield. So these are the functions which they provide, and there are a lot of things to read about. I will be looking forward to that and going through that things. So let me just quickly go through those things about, okay, company. Sommelier is built on the Cosmos SDK to maximize interoperability with other blockchains. And the platform is a reimagined gateway into interchain decentralized finance. With the bridge in place connecting the Cosmos based platform to Ethereum, Sommelier will be able to execute strategies across multiple blockchains, opening a wide horizon of possibilities. So, as you know, that this Sommelier is based on the Cosmos blockchain with the help of interoperability. The platform will be imagining. I guess the network is fine for me. If you are able to hear me clearly, that yes, man. So yeah, so you will be having the blockchain different switching between the bridges, and it will be much more easier for you to control your funds, right? Traditional finance has come to rely on the power of off-chain computation since it allows their strategies to be proprietary and include the work of highly sophisticated data modeling. So this is what the beta modeling and all was done by the things, and okay, I'm just looking forward to the network because it is fluctuating a little bit sometimes. So yeah, that's why I'm looking forward to it continuously. That if it gets fluctuated a lot, I will be closing the stream. But yeah, it's good now. Sommelier aims to do all of this, but without the trade-off of centralization that exists in traditional finance, thanks to its validator set. So it's validator set, and our team, they have the team. You can just easily click on that. A co-founder, head of operations, Kevin Kennes, and a lot of good people. What I initially want. Okay, guys, I hope you are able to listen me now. Just wanted to check. Wait, let me just give me a moment. I just wanted to check the mic again, and the network issue. I'm trying to resolve it. So let me just give me. Okay, wait. Hey guys, I hope you are able to see me now, but due to some network issues, I am still not clearly visible. But just a moment. Okay, guys, I hope my voice is audible now. I hope I am audible and clearly. You guys can listen me, right? I just wanted to check. Okay, guys, I hope my voice is audible now. Awesome. My voice is audible and I am visible. So, yeah, let's continue the stream. We will left. We have. Okay. Okay, so let me just open the website again and we will be analyzing the project. Okay, continue. Open the website. Mm, here the website is opening and here we are. I wanted to check the white paper, but it's not present here. But documentation, we can see this. Okay, this is the white paper. Let's quickly have a look into it and let's see what the white paper is about to tell us, right? So, introduction and evolution of market. What is familiar? As the market gets flushed with new protocols and products from the traditional finance world, derivatives, perps, leverage, etc., enter the DeFi ecosystem, the era of simple funds, and the basic strategies needs a turbocharged remake. The majority of existing platform in the current market performs actions that were best suited to the past few years. Past few years. For example, some invest in an index time in the scenario. In this scenario, when the pool specific a pool specific vault stops working and the users abandon the vault like a deserted city, they move on to newer pool specific vaults that work in the newer market conditions. Right. But what if there was a way for us to create an intelligent vault that could adjust its composition based on market conditions or predetermined metrics? Moreover, what if there was an architecture that allows the metric calculations to be done off-chain while utilizing live data feeds to adjust your current positions, and only the newer instruction set needed to be sent to the world. We would be able to create more nimble, flexible, and most importantly, profitable and resilient vaults. Further, in traditional finance, we have come to rely on the power of off-chain computation using financial and data modeling techniques because it allows your strategy to be proprietary and include the work of highly sophisticated quant and data science teams. Hello, Paris Team 143. Sommelier aims to do all of this, but without the trade-off of centralization that exists in traditional finance. Sommelier Intelligent Vault. Welcome to the era of intelligent vaults. that no longer become obsolete once the market changes. Sommelier vaults are intelligent, meaning that they can predict, react, optimize, and evolve to DeFi conditions, right? Predict example use time series forecasting methods to estimate future base yields. React example rebalance position as information about major market moves like a depeg becomes available if the market conditions change. Vaults are able to rapidly adjust leverage ratios to help avoid liquidation. Optimize use a sophisticated solution to accumulate leverage that is highly capital efficient and significantly reduces gas flash loan fees that are otherwise typically incurred. Additionally, can optimize uni-V3 tick ranges while accounting for impermanent loss. Evolve, update its algorithm and integrated protocols to continually capture new yield opportunities. So basically, it is some kind of technology where your funds are safe with the platform and you will be getting the yield according to the intelligence, artificial intelligence. For example, if you have put a money in a vault and that vault is going to be giving you low yields in the upcoming days, the AI will automatically predict that and your funds will be automatically shifted to another yield farming tool, which will be giving you much more interest at that time, right? So this is how the system will work in Sommelier protocol, and that is how they will be looking forward to get the investors on board and get the people on board, right? Which is definitely a very excellent idea and an opportunity to capture a large amount of staking market, which is almost like $5 to $6 billion. Architecture overview, I think I have said less, but the staking market is even more than that, right? So, architecture overview, Sommelier is a decentralized asset management protocol built on the Cosmos SDK with a bridge to high value EVM networks. State of the art architecture protects users. The protocol is powered by the validator set that reach consensus on all rebalance messages sent by strategists before they are executed on chain by allowing rebalance calculations to be done off chain. Sommelier employs a unique architecture to keep the strategies powering the world private and allows strategies to employ a wide variety of off-chain data modeling techniques, which are used in traditional finance. So basically, it will be giving you a lot of new opportunities for the market users to get it done, right? Okay, guys, I'm back, and yeah, as I was saying, protocol is powered with the AI technology, which will be shifting your funds between the protocols and with a smart calculated method, right? The once consensus is reached on the rebalance message, it is passed through a bridge, either either Sommelier's proprietary bridge to Ethereum or the auxiliary bridge to alt EVMs, where it then interacts with smart contracts in the native environment to execute the rebalance. Importantly, funds are not bridged. The protocol also aggregates and batches transactions, thereby reducing gas fees and providing an attractive alternative to Ethereum's high transaction costs. As for security, Sommelier uses a decentralized governance mechanism run by validators, ensuring state of the art safety of user funds. So also the validator will be getting a safety fund for you, which will be protecting your funds from getting theft or any kind of malicious activity. So you will be having a full control over your funds and the yields will be given to you accordingly, right? The protocol also aggregates and batches transactions, thereby reducing gas fees and providing an attractive alternative to Ethereum's high transaction costs. As for security, Sommelier uses a decentralized governance mechanism run by validators, ensuring state-of-the-art safety for users. Okay, Sommelier as a protocol is non-custodial and entirely governed in a decentralized manner by its user. So it is a decentralized mechanism used on decentralized mechanism. So it will be non-centralized. So nothing is centralized in this, and everything will be in the hands of people. Key benefits of chain computation: a unique architecture that allows Sommelier to ingest data input from off-chain models. This keeps the strategy private as well as allows the vault to be fed information from data models. No bridged assets. Multi-chain access without bridged assets. Cosmos SDK for efficiency. By using the Cosmos SDK, Sommelier can offer a modular and robust protocol with a tendermint consensus, a world-class and tested protocol layer. Using Cosmos allows fewer transactions to be performed on Ethereum, which keeps gas costs low. Controlled by validators and decentralized governance, transactions are managed by the Sommelier validator set with decentralized governance. So Sommelier cannot steal user funds. The network function is entirely responsive to user preference and the protocol remains censorship resistant. So as you can see that Sommelier will not be able to access your funds and your funds are always safe with the protocol. And if that happens, you can easily control your funds to withdraw it on your platforms and then you will be able to withdraw it anywhere, wherever you want, right? So this is how the Sommelier project is working with the decentralized model, and which is very, very interesting to see because we don't see these kinds of stuff very, very usually, right? But yeah, one thing that these kinds of stream are not any kind of financial advice or investment advice. I am just wanted to share you the information which I have read today. So this project, I was very interested. I just wanted to let you know that these kinds of stream are only and only made for educational purpose, right? So let's continue the stream with this and let's move on to the tokenomics here. As you can see, the price of the tokens are also very good because the tokens are not very much in the market. SOMM token basics, you can see utility and characteristics, 500 million fixed SOMM token supply. Ticker is SOMM, SOMM. SOMM is the native token of the Sommelier network, a proof of stake blockchain built on the Cosmos SDK. Works on the proof of stake already, and SOMM is a crucial component of the network and plays a vital role in ensuring its security and operations. SOMM has three critical functions within the Sommelier ecosystem. Staking for proof of stake consensus. SOMM can be staked to select validators to secure the network. Validator selection is critical to SOMM as it distinguishes Sommelier strategies from conventional asset management. By staking SOM, users can help secure the network and earn rewards for doing so. So you can also become a validator in that and you can help them to secure the network by becoming a network validator and also earn rewards by becoming a validator as the normal miners do, right? They become a validator and they earn money. Gas fees. SOM can be used to pay for gas fees, transaction fees on the network. Transaction fees paid in SOM helps to ensure the network is runs smoothly. Gas fees, okay, protocol governance. SOM can be used to create and vote on proposals. By participating in governance, SOM holders control key pieces of the protocol. They have the ability to approve new values and control the deployment of a large community treasury. Overall, SOM is an essential component of the Sommelier network, providing the necessary infrastructure for a decentralized and community-driven ecosystem. As you all know, that SOM will be a community-driven ecosystem, which is already been said that it will be a decentralized token. So it will be definitely giving you a good amount of things which the service provided, but one thing which is the decentralization part, which I really like about, is that is why the SOM network is very, very good. SOM token unique attributes, fixed supply. As you all know, that supply of the token is fixed at 500 million and will not be minted more than that. While many of these functions are fairly typical for native tokens of proof of stake, layer ones as SOM distinguin- distinguishes itself thanks to its fixed token supply and non-inflationary staking rewards. The SOM token supply has been set at 500 million tokens to ensure that each participant's ownership stake in the network remains constant over time. Providing this level of certainty makes it easier for prospective network participants, such as contributors, strategists, partners, and community members, to confidently commit to the Sommelier ecosystem, thereby amplifying its network effects. Staking rewards. Sommelier Vault generate fees, of which a portion is directed to SOM stakers for securing the network. Therefore, the rate of staking rewards is directly correlated to vault success. As vault success are collected, they are function of or SOM, which is then distributed to SOM stakers as rewards. So this is how the staking system works. So Formula Vault generates fees for each portion is directed to SOM stakers for securing the network. So then, therefore, the rate of staking rewards directly correlated to vault success. So by validating the vault, you will be getting the amount of SOM as a fees, and then as fees vaults are collected by the auction of the SOM, which is then distributed to SOM staker. The fees will gets auctioned by the vault, and then it will be distributed by the holders, stakers who are holding, who are putting their SOM on the network. The SOM flywheel. This is how this flywheel look. Success Vault generates fees which attract more vault creators. More vault creators create a vault which serves a wide range of users. More users result in more fees generated for SOM stakers, drives SOM demand, cements SOM desirability for rewards, grants. So this is how the whole SOM network all run, and at successful vault generate more fees, more strategies are attracted to build on the platform, creating additional vault that in turn attract new users. The increase in user generates even more fees for SOM stakers, further increasing the demand for SOM and making it more valuable for all participants in the Sommelier ecosystem. These network effects are compounded by the fact that the DAO ethically captures the value created by the protocol and its members. So this is how the SOM networks works, and this is how beautifully they have the operations running smoothly with overall explanation of the project itself. So guys, just give me a moment. I'll be just quickly come back the water break. Okay, guys, I hope you are able to hear me now. It was some kind of network issue which I was facing. See, hello, hello, hello. Okay, the voice is coming, and yeah, there was another network issue today, so it's disturbing sometimes that it creates a lot of network issues. I don't know why, but yeah. So here I am, and let's continue the stream. And yes, governance process overview, and after that, we will be closing the stream today. Governance overview, if you see that the Sommelier protocol is governed by as SOMM token holders, utilizing Cosmos governance modules, supporting Cosmos SDK proposal types as of 0.45. And a number of items must be voted on and approved by the community, including strategist, onboarding, vault filler, activations, community spend proposals, which allocates funding from the SOMM community pool, protocol upgrades, and parameter changes. Community approval process proposal must be posted on the forum for a minimum of 3 days, after which point they can be submitted as on-chain votes via KeyPair. The process is referred to as the SIP process and is outlined here. Proposal should be available to answer any questions from the community during the feedback period on the forum. Proposers may want to consider hosting AMA, especially for a new strategist. Okay, so a lot of things here. We will not go through each of everything, or it will be taking a lot of time, but it will be very specific. Okay, so this was all about the SOM project analysis, guys. If you have enjoyed the stream, don't forget to like the stream, don't forget to follow me, and if you want such more amazing project analysis, you can have, you should have to follow that. And as of now, I'm just closing the stream, guys, in 2 minutes. Okay, so you just give me a moment.
एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए, क्या कहे बन गए रब आप ईमान।
Okay, guys, let me show you how you can buy the Sommelier token and how you can be or you can take part in the beautiful project and you can participate in the project itself. So you don't have to do anything. If you are in the coin market cap itself, then you definitely have to go down, scroll down, and you will find this. Just click on here, the gate.io option, and then you will be redirected to the SOMM.io page, right? And now from here, you don't have to do anything much. The simple things which you have to do is to just check the charts. I hope you are able to check the charts, see the charts in my screen, which is just a moment. Yes, let's check. And if you can see that chart, it is currently 30 minutes. You have to set it for 1 day, and then you will be able to see this whole scenario. And you can see in gate.io there the token already looks like it is at the support level basically. So we have a high chance of getting the token and making some good sort of profit. But as you all know, these streams are not any kind of investment or financial advice. So you have to do your own research first before any kind of investments, right? So let me just tell you what to do. You have to click here and you have to click 100 USD and you will be getting almost 845 SOM at the current price of SOM, right? So this is how you have to purchase it. First you have to log in it and then click on the buying option. Just wanted to make it dark because it is a lot brighter. So to just make it dark. So let me just make it dark. And yeah, it's dark now and it's much more clear to us. Right, gate is open, but you have to gate token is open. Opened almost currently trading at $5, which is very very good. But we have to check the SOM token. So this is the SOM token, and if we see the 1 day, definitely looking at us to a support level. If you see this looks like a good support and it's already pumping from here, recovering from here, almost like a gap of 2%, 8% change in a single day. Now a lot of selling came. Then we have here like opportunity for us to enter right in this level. I think this level will be also good for us to enter, but have to check for that. Right? I'm not sure what will be happening initially. So yeah, that's the question. And OB Web3 looks very good, but we will be looking forward to sticking to exchange. And if you open the gate.io, click here, spot, you have already know how to do it. If you have watched my streams earlier, or you can directly open from CoinMarketCap itself from here only. So this is how you will be getting participation of this project, and this is how you can become a part of this unit, right? So let's see guys what happens next with the token and what initially the project will show us. Right? To be very honest, this project looks very interesting. You guys should check this out, and you guys should do your own research before any kinds of investing, because basically I've already told you multiple times that these things are only made for educational purposes, right? So hope you guys have enjoyed the stream, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and we'll see you guys in the next stream. Till then, stay safe, stay safe. We'll definitely hope the moon. Bye, guys. Good night.